And here we are, tail end of 2025. What a year. Oh my goodness. A massive thanks to all of you who have supported the channel, me, Antidote in general. It means so much, so thank you so much for that. Hope you'll stick around till next year for some more shenanigans and sound. And just having a blast making music, I think, is the main thing. YouTube changed things up a lot this year, did a lot of tips and tricks, a lot of serum presets, and went for more artist-inspired tutorials too, from like Skrillex, Zomboy, Space Laces, Flume at the start of the year, trying to just dive into the artist sound and pull out some tips and tricks, which I can learn from myself and then obviously share with you guys. There's been so much fun with that. And of course with this year on YouTube, so many damn shorts as well. I was having a blast making shorts and just doing even the most random things just to see how they go down. So yeah, I've dropped 2 packs this year. First one being Zodiac, a massive drum and bass sample preset suite. This one was absolutely gigantic and took such a long time, but it encapsulates perfectly all the things I love about drum and bass, which is, there is no kind of rules and limitations with drum and bass. Everything from liquid to neuro to like main stage or dance floor, whatever you want to call it, like the pendulum sound to the noisier sound, Kino, liquid D&B sound. It's just such a diverse, fast-paced, awesome genre. So I was really stoked to make just a dedicated pack to that genre. And then the second pack of the year, which I released in November, brand new Serum 2 preset library. Oh my god, I've been loving Serum 2 ever since it dropped this year, and that was such a fun pack to make, just diving into Serum 2 and seeing all the new features and capabilities. And just the absolute hecticness you can get from Serum 2. It's just... And for 2026, I've already started planning some tutorials and some packs and a whole bunch of other good stuff to drop, so stay tuned for that. But before I get too ahead of myself, 2026 is next year, and and now for the time being, let's focus on the best moments of 2025 on this channel. Have a great rest of your year, and I'll see you guys in 2026. That sounds so weird. See you guys in 2026. Peace. Already, yes. A concept called tension and release. Dude, where's that note? Yeah. You just a bitch. You just a bitch, 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 bitch. No. Oh, that cowbell's dirty. Neighbors are probably gonna be thinking, what the fuck? Ah, no. I'd say when you want them. Ah, fuck. But fuller. Just being. Oh, Spike. That was so fucking. Control the edge. Control the gritty edginess. Great sounding samples do a lot of the heavy lifting before you even get to the processing, so I would highly recommend that. Antidoteaudio.com. And then a little bit of noise like a. Okay, that's absolutely beautiful. See the pulse? Oh man, this is gonna be sick. Tried to recreate one of the drops, and this is one of the drops, and I was close-ish. Oh, that cowbell's nutty. Built these bad boy drops. That was cringe. Built these drops. Let's sculpt them. Alright, restarting that. I got a minute in and I had a massive sneezing fit, so here we go. Start things off, I've got some sad news. Space Lasers has released yet another voltage, and the producer community is in a state of depression because it's too sick. Even more sustained because it's blah blah blah. Why is Redux looking thick today? I swear it's normally skinnier. Am I tripping? Why is it thick? It's got some girth to it. I should shut up. It's so overused. Looks like. Oh yeah. And if you're thinking to yourself, Sam, I already use a delay on my vocals. A delay, yeah? Just what?
I gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers in this racket.
Just adds a bit more beef and a bit more thick. It adds thick to your sound. Eventually getting up to that. The grain delay just like tickling the sides of your ears. I don't know, but it is dirty. I can't say that. It's nah. It's sounding great. Lock. Every damn time. Oh, fuck off! Just a sprinkle of OTT. We want to use OTT. I don't care. Respace vocals to add substance and girth. Girth, yeah. Great choice of word. Bonkers. Never mind. Why does everything sound so good when it's fucking brick walled? So yeah, try to turn down before you turn up, if you know what I mean. Oh shit, I haven't added the next bit in. We want fade. Nah! See if it works. That noise. Nice little. It throws more distortion out. What am I doing? Fuck, that would go hard. The next section, like. Something like that. Allow it? Why is that? Oh, okay. Absolutely nutty. Foghorns. Kind of like a thompy bass. It's not really a word, but it sounds like this. You know what? If it works, it works. Well, yeah, no, too robotic-y. That is the money. That's disgusting. What the? And welcome back to Serum to Do. And for fuck's sake. Oh, yeah, boy, that's the stuff.